Welcome back to our exploration into the wonders of artificial intelligence in AI for beginners, step-by-step journey from novice to pro. Today, we're building our toolkit. Just as an artist needs the right brushes and paints to create a masterpiece, an AI developer needs the right tools and platforms to turn data into intelligence. Artificial intelligence, as we know, is the art of teaching machines to think. But how do we do that? Through data. Data is the heartbeat of AI, the raw material that fuels the engine of machine learning. But to convert this raw data into something meaningful, we need the right tools. And that's where AI tools and platforms come in. They are the bridges that connect raw data to artificial intelligence, the workbenches where AI developers craft their creations. They are the looms that weave threads of data into the intricate tapestry of AI. Just as every artist has their favorite brush, every AI developer has their preferred tool. There are several tools available, each with its strengths and specialties, and among them, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn have emerged as the frontrunners. TensorFlow, as the name suggests, helps data flow through mathematical constructs called tensors, enabling developers to create complex machine learning models. PyTorch, on the other hand, excels in the realm of deep learning. It's like a virtual brain, allowing developers to create neural networks that mimic the workings of our own gray matter. And then there's Scikit-learn, a user-friendly tool that's perfect for beginners. It makes the complex world of machine learning a little bit more approachable, turning the intimidating into the attainable. But choosing an AI tool isn't about picking the best one, it's about finding the right tool for your specific needs and objectives. Each tool has its unique strengths and caters to different aspects of AI development. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, understanding these tools and platforms is crucial. They are the unsung heroes, the silent partners that power the symphony of AI. These aren't just random words, they are the bridges connecting raw data to AI wonders. Scene script. Let's simplify it. TensorFlow, for example, is like a sophisticated loom, weaving threads of data into intricate patterns, helping machines understand and predict. Imagine you're in a vast, bustling market teeming with information. Your task is to single out meaningful patterns and trends from the noise. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? This is where TensorFlow comes in. Developed by the brilliant minds at Google Brain, TensorFlow is an open-source software library for high-performance numerical computation. It's like a powerful magnifying glass, bringing clarity to the chaotic world of data. At its core, TensorFlow is designed to create and run machine learning models. Its strength lies in its flexibility and scalability. Whether you're a solo developer working on a personal project or a multinational corporation handling billions of data points, TensorFlow adapts to meet your needs. But what makes TensorFlow stand out in the crowded AI toolkit? It's the ability to build and train models through both high-level APIs, like Keras, and low-level APIs for more granular control. This gives you the freedom to start simple and scale up as your understanding deepens. Another unique feature of TensorFlow is TensorBoard, a suite of visualization tools. With TensorBoard, you can explore your TensorFlow data and models in a way that makes sense. Even if you're not a data science wizard, TensorFlow also shines in its support for a multitude of platforms. Whether you're working on a CPU, a GPU, a mobile device, or even a cluster of servers, TensorFlow has got you covered. And let's not forget the community. With TensorFlow, you're joining an active global community of developers and researchers who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI. In essence, TensorFlow is an end-to-end platform for machine learning. It allows you to build, train, and deploy models quickly, irrespective of your level of expertise. Think of TensorFlow as the master weaver in the realm of AI. It takes the raw, unprocessed threads of data, weaves them into a coherent pattern, and presents you with a tapestry of understanding. It's not just a tool, it's a partner in your AI journey. PyTorch, on the other hand, shines brightly in the realm of deep learning, allowing creations that mimic the intricate workings of the human brain. Let's delve deeper. PyTorch is a Python-based library that provides two high-level features: tensor computation, with strong GPU acceleration and deep neural networks built on a tape-based autograd system. It's a bit of a mouthful, but in simple terms, PyTorch allows for dynamic computational graphing, a trait that is particularly useful when it comes to creating and training complex AI models. One of the unique strengths of PyTorch is its simplicity and ease of use. PyTorch's clear and straightforward coding style makes it accessible, even for those at the beginning of their AI journey. With PyTorch, you can see and feel your neural network in a more intuitive way. Let's talk about applications. PyTorch is widely used in the field of computer vision and natural language processing. From recognizing images to understanding spoken or written language, PyTorch is the go-to tool for many AI developers. It's also extensively used in academic research, enabling the exploration of new frontiers in deep learning. Now, we can't talk about PyTorch without mentioning its vibrant community. This is one of PyTorch's biggest assets. A large number of researchers and developers contribute to the development of PyTorch, creating an extensive library of resources, tutorials, and pre-trained models. This supportive community makes it easier to troubleshoot, learn, and improve your skills. In a nutshell, PyTorch is a powerful tool that empowers you to experiment, innovate, and bring your AI visions to life. It's flexible, intuitive, and backed by a strong community. It's no wonder that PyTorch is rapidly becoming a favorite in the AI world. So whether you're a seasoned AI developer or a curious beginner, PyTorch offers a platform to explore, experiment, and excel. Remember, in the world of AI, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding the right tool for your unique needs, and PyTorch might just be that tool for you. PyTorch, the torchbearer of deep learning. And for those just dipping their toes into the AI waters, Scikit-learn offers a more approachable platform, making the complex appear straightforward. Just as a compass guides a mariner through the vast ocean, Scikit-learn is a beacon for beginners in the world of artificial intelligence. It's a free software machine learning library for the Python programming language, and it's as friendly as it gets. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for machine learning. It's compact, versatile, and ready to handle a multitude of tasks. It provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis, all bundled neatly into one package. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Scikit-learn is powerful. From supervised learning algorithms such as support vector machines to unsupervised learning algorithms like clustering, Scikit-learn has it all. It even includes tools for model fitting, data pre-processing, and model selection. Let's delve a bit deeper. Say you're working on a project that involves predicting housing prices based on various factors. Scikit-learn provides regression models that can help you do just that. Or perhaps you're trying to group news articles into different categories. Scikit-learn's clustering algorithms are your go-to tool. One of Scikit-learn's unique strengths is its extensive documentation and user-friendly interface. It's like having a personal tutor who's always ready to help. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist looking for a refresher or a beginner trying to understand the nuances of machine learning, Scikit-learn's comprehensive guides are a treasure trove of knowledge. Moreover, Scikit-learn's compatibility with other Python libraries such as NumPy and SciPy make it a valuable addition to any data scientist toolkit. It allows you to harness the power of these libraries, enhancing your capability to manipulate and analyze complex data sets. Remember, every tool has its place, and Scikit-learn is no exception. It's a testament to the fact that the world of AI isn't just for the tech-savvy. It's a realm where anyone with curiosity and the right tools can create, innovate, and make a difference. Scikit-learn, the friendly guide into the AI jungle. It's not about which tool is the best. It's about which tool is the best for purpose. Each offers unique strengths, catering to different aspects of AI development. Like any master craftsman, the quality of your work is often determined by your understanding and utilization of your tools. In AI development, these tools we've discussed, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, are not just optional extras, they are the very lifeblood of your projects. TensorFlow, with its ability to create large-scale neural networks, is a powerful tool for handling complex data structures. PyTorch, with its deep learning capabilities, gives you the power to create models that can learn and improve over time. Scikit-learn, with its user-friendly interface and robust algorithms, provides a great starting point for those new to AI development. Each tool has its place, its strengths, and its weaknesses. Understanding these is crucial to successful AI development. It's like being a chef. You wouldn't use a cleaver to peel potatoes, just as you wouldn't use a paring knife to chop meat. You need to understand which tool is right for the job at hand. But beyond understanding each tool's individual capabilities, it's equally important to understand how they can work together. Like a well-oiled machine, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn can each play their part in a larger ecosystem, complementing each other's strengths and compensating for each other's weaknesses. The beauty of AI development is that it's a constantly evolving field. New tools and platforms are being developed all the time, giving us new ways to interact with data, solve problems, and create innovative solutions. By understanding the tools available to you today, you're setting yourself up for success tomorrow. As we delve deeper into the AI world, having a grasp of these essential tools sets the stage for success. They are the unsung heroes, silently powering the AI symphony.